Hi, in this video I'll show how to convert DBF file to JSON format. You can see on my computer I have a DBF file into DBF, open into DBF viewer. It's a free app, it's showing what is inside the DBF table and present data is as a table, and also I can export into different format. And I will link on this DBF viewer into description to this video. I will be converting this DBF file to JSON format with application. I will download and install from this site. I will link on this site too. To find application, click on search and type DBF to JSON. And I need this create JSON page. And I click on Foxpro DBF to JSON and click on download. I will be recording more videos on how to convert DBF files into different formats. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Archive has been downloaded. I will click on downloaded archive. Wait, did I click on correct one? I maybe click on the wrong one. Let's click on Foxpro DBF to JSON. It's gonna download file from Google Cloud, and it's telling me it's not can scan for viruses, so we click on download anyway. It's a good thing that Google Cloud, every time you download file, it scans for all possible threads, and this is why I like to store files into Google Cloud, because it's always scanned. Okay, so archive has been downloaded, and click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive and click on more info here. I am getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered. Publisher is Microsoft, you can see publisher unknown, so just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes and click finish on file screen. And when I close everything, you can see I have a new shortcut on my desktop with Foxpro DBF to JSON application. I'll double click on it to launch app. Now, conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1, we have to select input file. I click to select input file. And I need my states DBF. Click on open, click on next. There are no conversions options here yet. I'll just click on next step, and here I can preview data. You can see it shows nicely as a states. It uses file name to create entity with array in it, and every record from DBF presented as a entity in this array with field name, field value, field name, field value, right? Field name, field value, and I can save it into JSON. It's asking me for name and location of the file. This name location is okay, just click save, and file has been saved. Let's go and see file. I can open file into Notepad just to show you what is how does it look. And it has every line is as one record with a nice structure, and I can use this file into website or in web service, whatever I need it for. And also I can double click into open JSON viewer. It's also free app that shows what is inside JSON file and can export JSON file into different format. I will leave link on this app into description too. So yeah, basically that's it. We converted our DBF file into JSON, and all data here from Alabama to Wyoming. everything is here. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.